Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm your host, Johnny Freeborn, and you are watching the Central Valley Talk Real Estate Show. Up next, I have with me Henry Mendiola, and thanks so much for coming on the show again.
Thanks for having me.
And you are a mortgage consultant, correct? Or what would you title yourself?
Well, I do the business development marketing for Zabe Mortgage Group. We are a mortgage company.
I see.
Yeah, we personalize in a variety of different types of loans, conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, in addition to providing a series of grants available first-time home buyers, in addition to a wonderful program we have for teachers and individuals that work within the school district as well.
Okay.
So this program actually enables individuals that are employed by the school district throughout California a significant amount of money if they qualify as a first-time home buyer for up to 10%, which they can utilize for either a down payment or for closing cost.
Okay. Very nice. Probably the one obstacle to becoming a homeowner is that initial down payment and that cost. What would you suggest? What kind of strategies do you guys have for getting into a home? Besides the grants, of course, you're a specialist in plugging people into those types of things.
You know, what I recommend for a first-time home buyer is to start off, create a plan, have a consultation, get pre-qualified, see where you're actually at in regards to your status. So are you looking to purchase a property in a certain defined demographic where you need to improve your credit score, or you need a larger down payment, or do you need to have a co-signer as part of that loan? So I would say if you are looking to acquire a loan that's $400,000, but you're only really qualified for $350, well, there's different options there. Or if you're looking to purchase a home that is $400,000, but you're used to paying $1,000 in rent, but your mortgage payment is going to be $1,500. Well, create a strategy where over a period of 6 months, you're actually putting that additional $500 or any additional fixed cost into a savings account that will enable you to get adjusted to paying that additional amount of money towards the mortgage. So you're prepping yourself to ensure that you're capable in maintaining a mortgage and a lifestyle to which you're going to adapt to.
Okay, very good. So you help people set those realistic standards up in their life, the budgeting,
Yes, that's all part of the consultational process and getting pre-qualified and determining what your objectives are. So when we're looking to pre-qualify and get someone into a loan that is customized for them and their families, we don't want them to fail. We want them to succeed. So not only are we going to monitor them throughout the life of their loan and make sure that's the right loan for them if they need to refinance that property to a shorter loan term of from 30 years to 20 or 15 based off promotion and an increase in income, or they're looking to do a remodel and they want to refinance that property and make some improvements, or they want to refinance that property and purchase and acquire another property. There's a lot of different objectives when you become a property owner and when you're looking to acquire a property. So we're working with you as part of your team to maintain your stability in that property.
Very good. Okay. Getting pre-approved for a loan, what does this process look like?
Well, getting pre-approved for a loan, you at least want to make sure you have 2 years of stable income.
Okay.
You've at least filed your taxes for 2 years. There's a series of questions and answers in regards to getting pre-qualified, and you'll learn all those phases when you come in for your consultation, because we're going to be very proactive.
Okay.
And we're going to send you a checklist of a series of items that you need to bring in with you. Or you can pre-qualify directly on our website and upload those documents directly to our loan officers that are going to be interactive with you. So
that's easy.
That's very easy, and you can do it 24/7, 365 days a year.
Yeah.
So
Not on office hour time. That's
Exactly.
That's very convenient. Okay.
And if you have any questions, you can always call our office or send an email directly to any of the representatives and get a response pretty quickly.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay.
We try to make everything as simplified as possible because we know acquiring a mortgage can be very time consuming, and there can be
Right.
many issues that and many obstacles that you need to overcome, and we're there to educate you and hold your hand throughout that whole process.
Okay.
Making it very seamless.
That brings up an interesting question. What are the do's and don'ts of home buying? What are the landmines, so to speak, to avoid? You know what I mean?
Well, first of all, when you always want to get pre-qualified. See where you're at.
Okay.
And that's a starting point. If there's anything you need to fix in regards to your credit,
That's the biggest
fix
factor.
it.
Okay.
Yeah, because you're looking to fix any elements between 6 months to a year before you're actually getting into that mortgage, because it's going to take at least 3 months to 4 months for that information to come off your credit report.
Okay.
If there's any major issues that you're looking to resolve. And, usually when you're doing that, it's going to stabilize and enable you to get it and qualify for a better loan. And that's
see.
what the objective is. Because
Okay.
when you're making an offer, you want a rock-solid offer. So we're going to be working with you throughout the process to make sure when you find that property, it's a rock-solid offer.
Everything's
and-
green lights, good to go.
and
Yeah,
we're good to go.
I gotcha. Okay. Well, anything else you'd like to share about what makes you guys unique?
What separates us from a lot of the other groups out there is that we adopt technology to help simplify the process for you. So when you are getting pre-qualified for a loan with us, we're also encouraging you to utilize our home scouting app, which you can download to your Apple phone or your Android device and search for a property in real time and interact with the loan officer and your realtor and schedule an appointment right then and there if you are in front of that property or you're searching on the MLS listings for Fresno or Clovis or Madera or in other parts of the Central Valley. So we make that information available to you real time, 24/7, 365 days a year. So you can put that offer in when office hours are closed. And so
Very nice.
It's a wonderful tool.
Yeah.
And if you're looking to find a home in a certain block area, school district, it's easy to do. All you have to do is select those features and narrow it down to exactly what you want. If you need to do comparables against properties that you like, you can do comparables against the properties and then pre-qualify or re-qualify for a higher loan amount if that is what you're seeking.
Wonderful. Okay, well, it sounds like you guys have a lot to offer, and I hope our viewers will definitely get in contact with you. And it sounds like you can make this whole process easier for them.
Yeah, we actually have streamlined this process. We have wonderful resource tools that they can download from our website for buyers or sellers, in addition to educational content that they can view as well, and step-by-step instructions on how to utilize our home scouting app.
Very good. Very good. Well,
So, yeah, I recommend they just go to our website, www.zamortgage.com.
and there it is on the screen.
Or give us a call
Yeah.
at 559-664-1930.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Henry.
You're welcome.
Henry Mendiola.
You're welcome.
Thank you so
Thanks for
much.
having us.
Come back on the show again, would you?
I shall.
Okay.
Thanks.
We'll be right back.